Hello everyone, welcome back to my economics class of Standard 7. Today, lesson 3, Election Commission and Duties and Responsibilities. Election Commission. What is Election Commission? The institution that organizes and arranges the elections is called the Election Commission, or in shortly EC. There is one election commissioner and several commissioners appointed by the president. At present, K.M. Nurul Huda as the Chief Election Commissioner, that means CEC of Bangladesh, and he joined here on February on 6, 2017, and he took oath as the new CEC on February 15, 2017. And the duration of this election commissioner and chief election commissioner is 5 years. Now, duties and responsibilities of this election commission. Number 1, making and updating the voter list. So, during the election, we need voter list. So, this election commission first duty is that to updating the voter list. Updating, that means those who were at present they are 18 years old, they will be included in this voter list. Second, conducting all elections and by elections, that means all types of elections, national level or local level, all type of elections are conducted by this election commission and by elections also. Demarcating or fixing the constituencies, setting up polling or voting centers, allocating the election symbols, preparing the code of conduct. Code of conduct means the rules and regulations during election, printing the ballot paper, making ballot box, smooth imposition of code of conduct, taking votes and declaring the result, dissolving the election feuds or to solve the disputes in the day of election. This is the picture of election commission. Now, constituencies. Already I have discussed what is constituencies. The whole country is divided into specific areas for the sake of electing representatives. Each of these areas is called a constituency. There are 300 constituencies in Bangladesh. Now, code of conduct of election. Number 1, no procession or rally is permitted when submitting the nomination paper. Writing on the walls or sticking poster on walls is not allowed. Meetings cannot be held on the street and roads. Posters can be hung on court and placards can be used. No gates and lightings for publicity are permitted. That means they can't decorate any gates or lightings anywhere. Motorcycles or other vehicles are not permitted to rally. Voters cannot be gifted with anything and served with tea or drinks in the campus. Now, qualification of a voter. So, just if we attain the 18 years old, we can't be a voter. Okay. So, for being a voter, we need some other qualification. Number 1, he or she must be a citizen of Bangladesh. He or she must be 18 years above. He or she must be an inhabitant of the election area he or she must be not insane and was not declared bankrupt by any court. That means here bankrupt, that means when any person will take loan from government and can't repay, that time bank will seize the all property of that person. That time that person is declared as the bankrupt. So this is my last lesson of this chapter. I think you understand, and if there is any problem you must inform me. Thank you everyone.